Hey guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about my henna hair. I have been hennaing my hair for several years now, probably like maybe 7 years or so now, and this is the first time that I've gone this long without hennaing my hair. It's been about 6 months since I last did it, and I do have some growth, and I wanted to show you guys just some shots of what my hair looked like before, what it's kind of aged to, how it's kind of faded over time. I will leave a link down below to my henna hair playlist. I have several videos on there using different brands and different colors and just showing you how I do all of my hair with henna and how I do my roots and all that kind of stuff. So I have a lot of videos and I will leave the playlist down below if you're interested. So I'm at this point in my life where I'm not sure if I want to continue hennaing my hair. I have 2 little toddlers right now, and hennaing your hair takes several hours of the day. It's almost like a whole day experience just to henna your hair, and I just don't have that kind of time lately with these 2 crazy little boys living here. So I want to include some shots of like how my henna has aged over time, how it's kind of faded and stuff like that. So I'll include little shots over the video while I talk to you guys here today. So that's the awesome thing that I love about henna. On my particular hair, I have naturally medium brown hair, and I've been hennaing it with like reds, and then the last time I did it was like a medium brown shade. It always fades out so beautifully. The roots never look like too terrible. It's never like a really stark line or anything, and just overall like the length of the hair just fades really well. Henna is permanent, and if you have lighter hair, your henna is going to show up a lot more prominent, but since my hair is just a medium boring brown, it's never been too terribly bad how my henna has aged and grown out with time. So I really just wanted to come on here and give you guys a little bit of an update in case you are wondering if you're somebody who has hennaed your hair in the past and you just don't really want to keep up on it anymore. This kind of will give you an idea of how it looks as it starts to grow out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the little bit of footage was kind of helpful for you guys so you could see how the henna fades out with time. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!